literally died, and this is my part 2 already. What? Oh, nobody gives helpers on that left. Yes, I made that one. You know what I make whenever it's like a day of somebody's day. I'm sorry guys, but I was talking to my mother, so I don't know what to do. Meow. I really love that show them how
Wala ka alam. Diba, ito na natin si 𝐬𝐮𝐧𝐲. May 4 na stages sa life cycle ng butterfly o paru-paro. Ilan ang alam mo?
May alam akong 3.
3? Okay. Magbigay ng 3. Anong yan? Egg.
Butterfly, taku.
Butterfly, taku. O pupa.
Nasi, pag kailangan nyo na ito, pag kailangan nyo ng white paper, lagay ko dito ha. Ito ang dala mo bukas ha. Ito lang yung dalhin mo bukas, tsaka yung mga notebook. Hindi ka na magdadala ng 5 vote. Lagay ko dito. Tsaka dito, ito. Hoy, ito.
Apa.
Lagay ko dito.
Apa.
Ayon sa Bible, may 4 na Gospels na Ebanghelyo sa New Testament o Bagong Tipan. Ilan ang alam mo?
May alam ako 1.
Isa. Jude, ilan ang alam mo?
May alam akong 4.
Dahil alam mo ang 4, padamihan. 4 na
Nasi, scratch paper ha. Itong gamitan mo bukas pag kailangan yung ha. May addition kayo ha.
Wow, Mr. Beast. I was about to scroll. Guys, help me. Yeah, baby. Toilet. This is a toilet. Oh.
Ito lang dalhin mo bukas ha.
Yes.
Ito, bakit dinadala mo pa pauwi ito? Ang dumi na Next time itapon mo na to ha. Huwag mo nang inuwi kay maraming plastic dito ha. Iuwi mo na to. Ay, itapon mo na to bukas. Dumi-dumi
Sa jackpot round may chance na kayo manalo ng 10,000 pesos. Madamihan pa rito ng alam. Amin natin ang game sa 3 rounds.
Mama, natatanggal na yung ano.
Ibalik mo! Bakit kasi tinatanggal mo? Gaga.
Hindi ko naman tinatanggal yun.
Tinatanggal.
Okay, I'm just gonna go to my tablet. My background is funny. Oh God, I forgot I was watching some funny stuff. Sama.
Ay, gumamit ka ng paper ha. Bukas ha. Scratch paper pag...
May naging dalawang main characters at pangunahing karakter. Magbigay ng walo. Alam niya na. Go!
Ito sa likod ko lagay yung plastic.
Candy?
Any nut box going in. Mom heard it.
Sayang.
Patrick Star?
Oh,
Mr. Krabs? Sheldon Plankton? Libutan mo si Sheldon. Captain Plankton? Candy Cheeks? Mrs. Pop? Fern Krabs? Gary the Snail? Gary the Lobster? Mermaid Man? And Garfield? Yes! You did very well. Para na kayo 8,000 pesos. 5,000 pesos. 30,000 pesos. 1,000. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Oof.
10, 11, 12, 13,000 pesos. Thank you very much, Chris. Maraming salamat. Ganyan ang kadaling manalo. Padamihan, nakala. Kaya huwag-wag yung may alam dito sa Daba.
Any nut box going in.
Talagang tatak Pinoy, pero sa likod ng isipan ng mga Pinoy,
Ayun, may
nakalis lalaban. Yan ang kwento ko na lang ni Marisol at Kuraman. Chocolate man, fruit flavor na donut, winner sa mga sweet tooth. Pero itong donut sa monumentong kalokohan, sa halip na matamis, kandihan naman, kakagat ka ba sa savory fried donut?
Kinain mo na yung isang chicheria.
Yes.
Ano? Hinuto ng fried donuts lettuce sa labas ng kanilang bakery.
Veg.
Ang donut, malambot. Pero ito, pagkagat nila, ay, hindi siya matamis. Savory yung kalaman.
Correct.
Hindi ko alam yan. Cheese, pizza, Filipino, sisig. May hahalin ng party.
Wow.
A Japanese curry bread.
Halloween! $13. Yeah, no.
Siksik at talagang nakakabusog ito.
$30. Ito naman, ito save lang sila. Wala ang mga bata talaga mag-$15. Ha? $17.
I did not survive alone.
Why are they throwing? I don't know.
Yep, I did not.
Ganda. Para maikot-ikot siya, dear. Ito naman, ito save na ata sila. $17. Ano to, dear?
Headband.
Iko.
Tail, tsaka ano.
Wala guys, grabe ang daming earrings. $20. Ang daming earrings. Hindi, siguro 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. O basta, yun na yun. Ikaw match, kayo na magbilang. Wala, ang dami talaga. Guys, lahat ng mga followers ko,
I joked
isa sa inyo makakuha. Look, I'm done. Hala, dear. Even ano to, necklace?
even better. I died.
Hala, dear. Pero only $13. Necklace. Set siya. Necklace with earrings. Another necklace with earrings. Ayan. Hala, meron ding pair. Itong pair, only $7 per pair. Pero maganda. Ayan. Hala, pa-Halloween man itong iba, oy. Tignan mo, $9 pang-Halloween.
Why is there a lot of people saying how? Maybe because they
Daming
died.
mga, ayan, face stickers.
Yeah, boy.
Ayan. Hala, ang dami talaga. Ito po, ang cute nito. Ayan, $10. Hala, alam mo, iipunin ko to at maglalagay ako sa bawat balikbayan box. Lalagyan ko ng mga chocolate yung iba. Yung iba lalagyan ko ng mga... You have a key for this one? How do you open it? Oh, you're not gonna open? No, not today. Because I'm gonna give it.
I'm still level.
Well, dear, there's a lot of like this. How much is this, dear? $20. Oh, only 8. Only 8. Bargain. Half price. This one is 10. So it's $10. Okay. Alam mo, hindi makapaniwala. Even John can't believe it. Ito talaga mahal ito. Ito mahal ito, dear. This is expensive. $17. Oh, those are nice earrings. Look at that. Dear, even necklace. Necklace. That's good for John. Ito talaga nito, dear. $17. Ika talaga ito.
That's all for it, guys. Bye.